Hello everyone, so how to use Google Lens on iOS devices such as iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch. So basically on Android there is a specific Google Lens app, but you don't have that on iOS. So the way to do it is just to use Google app itself. So just find Google and install Google app on your iOS device, and here in the search you will have this icon, and then you can press it, and this way you have access to Google Lens. So here is some information that it will continually analyze what you see to show you results. It will stop analyzing what you see when you close the app. Got it? Then you need to give access to the camera, and then from there you can just start analyzing. You can then just make a photo of something, and basically it will find some related results. So for example, I just took a photo of a cliff or some rock, and then it will find just like similar images and stuff like that. But obviously your images, your photos should be super specific. So you should take a photo of either specific object, product, barcode, some address, or specific historical landmark, which is like White House, and some known picture. Then it works well. If you just take a photo of some beach or something like that, it won't work that well. You can also edit the area you want to see exactly. So there you have it. That's how it works, and you can basically show any objects, and then you will be shown related posts, related products you can buy, related like restaurants, cafes, things to do, anything. So it's kind of like a super cool feature. But in short, this is how you use it on iPhone. There isn't this specifically Google Lens app as on Android. So thanks for watching, guys.